Hey, welcome back. Today we'll talk about one of the most underrated yet powerful tools in your career toolkit, and that's networking. Building a strong professional network isn't just about who you know, it is about forming meaningful relationships that can help you grow and develop in your career. And why is this so crucial? Your network can open doors for you, whether it's through mentorship, learning about new job opportunities, or gaining insights into your industry. People in your network can also help you to solve problems or even vouch for you when needed. It is not just about climbing the ladder, it is about expanding your horizons. The key to building a strong network is authenticity. Focus on making genuine connections rather than transactional ones. Attend industry events, connect with the colleagues, join professional groups, and most importantly, give values to others. Networking is a two-way street, and more you contribute, more you will get back. So, today's action step: reach out to three people in your network this week, whether it is to check in, offer assistance, or ask for advice. Also, make habit of attending one networking event or joining a professional group every month. Now let us recap. A strong professional network can help you to learn, grow, and open doors to opportunities you never knew that existed. Please subscribe to stay updated on how to build a thriving career, and I will see you in next video. Happy learning and bye for now.